In the CCNA security, let me come. This is your CCNA. Right now, there is no CCNA security. It is CCNA enterprise. Okay.
Okay.
Inside the Cisco track, no security is there. It's only CCNA enterprise. After CCNA enterprise, you should come in the different track, that is your CCNP. So again, CCNP enterprise is there. Then after CCNP security is there, and data center is there. More track you will find inside that. Okay, collaboration is there. More track is there. Then after you have CCI is there. Like this way the track CCI. Okay, this
Yeah.
is the track you have. So before that, you have CCNA routing switching, you have CCNA security, you have CCNA data center kinds of that. But in a days, they have changed the track in January, right? And the track will be like in that way. You have to come in the CCNA enterprise. Then after you can go in the CCNP, whatever if you'll become in the enterprise and whatever you want. So everything in the enterprise you have to learn. The terms of enterprise you will learn here in the enterprise. The terms of security you will learn here. You will learn here the data center also, basic data center. Collaboration also you will learn in your CCNA enterprise. That basics I'm talking about. There is no more labs is there. Okay, automation is also there. Fine, automation part is also there inside your CCNA enterprise. If you are coming only for the CCNA security, that was the old version. It is not here in this term, right? So when you are coming in the CCNA security, if you are talking about the CCNA security, in the CCNA security, what you will learn, this is your CCNA security. There is no exam for CCNA security.
Mhm.
Fine. There is no exam. You should directly go approach for your CCNP security. Fine. There is two papers. Total 8, say 6 and 1 more. That is core paper, and 6 is your concentration paper. Try to understand how to go with your in the Cisco track in a day. You have 6 concentration, and 1 is your core paper. Okay. This is necessary. It is you can say you have to clear this core paper. Then after in the concentration, total 6 paper is there. Between in that 6 paper, if you clear one paper, like if you want to clear VPN paper, if you want to clear ASA paper, right? So that's paper wise paper is there. You have ICs there. Fine. You have here you will find WSA, ESA. That what you were asking to me. Inside that one paper is there. So all paper wise here you will find track, and core you have to clear as core. If you clear this
Okay.
one paper and here from one paper, that means you are CCNP certified. CCNP certified. Fine. On
Yeah.
the particular paper, like even in the VPN, if you're talking about like automation is there, SAuto, you will clear. Fine, you are certified. That means if you go for the like your jobs and all, inside your CV you will mention like I am completed, I clear with this
Mhm.
paper. Understood, right?
Mhm.
Before that you have to clear the 4 papers in the last your version. In version 5.0 or 4.0, you have to clear all 4 papers. Then only you will be the CCNP certified. Fine. But in it is no, only you have to write this paper and that paper. This from here one paper. That means you are CCNP. Again, if you are planning for CCI, if you clear this core paper, understood, that means it is valid again for your CCI. After that also in the last term, that will be you have to write the you have to clear the written. Fine. Then after you should
Yeah.
go for the lab, like this way. It is the prelims, this is the main for your
Okay.
CCI
Okay.
track.
And these days, how is the lab?
uh,
Number of parts?
yeah, that is same, like it is like same, you have to 8 hours lab is there, same like as it is. So I'm coming on that point. So CCI will be like if you clear the S score, that means you should directly appear for the lab. There is no written here in this time. Understood? That means this S score, that means this S score will be clear, open to you for your CCI. Are you getting my
Mhm.
point? And for your
Yeah.
CCNP track. These two track S score will be open, your core paper. And you should directly appear from here. At least one paper you should write. And if you're planning for lab, you should directly approach for the lab here. Fine, 8 hours lab will be there. And inside that 8 hours lab, you should go and you should write clear the paper. Right, there is no written here. Means you should go and again you have to clear the written paper, then after you should appear 18 months validity for that written paper, and then after you should appear for the lab. No, not like that.
How many? What is the validation of S4?
S-score
Like
is also S-score is also you have 2 years that validation for this one. 2 years it is
so
will be valid.
till that time
You should
I can
appear
appear
for the,
for a
yeah, you should update
lab.
for the lab. If you are planning for the lab, you should go with that. Fine,
Okay.
that is your
Okay.
Cisco track. Okay, and what we will study, I have sent already, I have shared you. We'll see here in the CCNA and CCNP, your paper is CCNA plus CCNP firewall, right? Firewall plus FMC
FPD,
plus
FMC, FPD.
FTD.
Yes.
This paper you have to, like, you have to inquire for that, and we will be cover up this paper. So in the CCNP we will be cover the paper, the topics in that way. If I'll be start the translation, okay, if I'll be go with the translation nat, if I'll be start, no need to come back again this point in your CCNP. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Like if I'll be start this points, I'm not going to come back again. This will be cover up again, like to remind again, like we have to cover up this paper at this point, these topics in the CCNP. No, we'll be complete here and we'll be finish it. Fine. So
Yeah.
like this way we'll be cover up. And one more thing here, in CCNA and CCNP, what we'll be studying. This is CCNA and CCNP I'm giving you. We'll be C basic. I shared with you, right? That syllabus is with you. Basic is there,
Mm.
plus advanced is there. Correct.
Yeah.
Basics and advanced. In the basics, what we will see ASA installation, how the ASA is worked. We will see here uh, NAT, network address translation. I will teach you NAT up to CCI. No need to come back again. Clear?
Okay.
NAT I will teach you. Whatever things I will cover up to CCI. Some topics of VPN also I will cover up because it is very much important. Okay. When ASA
Okay.
is between that, what I'm telling you, when ASA firewall is between that, firewall is not support your look back. So we will use the routers. Then after we have routers is there. Then after the other client is there. When we will create a VPN from the outside interface of the firewall, and we will cover up, will be see the VPN will be from inside to outside like this. This is important here. We will see the GRE. I think you have idea about GRE, generic routing encapsulation, right, in the VPN. If you
Yeah.
don't know, I will cover up this GRE. We will see the MGRE, right?
Mhm.
MGRE part we will see. Whatever this is things, what I'm telling you, this is very much important for your interview. Are you getting
Okay.
my point? Because the
Yeah.
more important things is the good jobs, good package in your hand after completing of this your like certificate, this all courses and details with that. The VPN part will be covered up. Then after we are coming here, GRE and MGRE will be done, and we are coming in this part here. Uh, we will see IKE version 1, IKE V1, IKE version 2, right? This is not in your syllabus, but I am teaching you because VPN, without VPN your interview is not completed. Understood? So IKE V1, IKE V2 differences is very much important. A basic part of your WSA proxy, you asked me that things also I will cover up here. Okay, that is
Okay.
inside your WSA proxy. We will cover up here, and IKE version 1, IKE version 2, DMVPN is done. Yeah, that is more than enough to complete your clear your you can say your interviews, right? That are the things we'll be cover up. Apart from your syllabus, I'm telling you, VPN part. Clear? Site to site VPN, these things we will see. Policy based VPN and route based VPN. Understood my point? So that things
Yes.
we will cover up. So let me come here and let me start your class. So CCNA security we are coming. I think routing switching you have idea, right? No need
Yep.
to come on the route. In the routing switching, do you have idea about BGP,
No, sir.
OSPF, OSPF?
No.
No, EIGRP.
I mean, it is very less. You remember
Mm-hmm.
we
No,
discussed that.
this part is means from my point of view. These are see when you go for interview, I'm telling you the track is like this way because we have conducted the interview event, right? So
Yeah.
first we will check if anyone is coming. How much experience you have? No worried about that. I'm not asking you
Yeah.
like you have 10 years experience or 15 years experience.
Yeah. I
First,
have 10.
yeah, means I'm telling if, for the candidates I'm telling, if the candidates have the 10 years experience, if the candidates have the 15 years experience, no worried about that. If they are coming the tech field, I'm talking about that. So we have the interview choice question is like this way. uh, First we'll be talking about the ports, very much important, right? I'm giving you this in a concept like how to clear the paper, how to prepare for the your interview, right? This is the ports is very much important. Then after we are coming any interviewer, if you go in even in the Cisco, if you go in any companies, then after they are coming on the TCP and UDP differences. Understood or not? Basics,
Yeah.
these are the two things is very much basics and 100% this will be asked. Then after they are
Yeah.
coming on the routing protocol. Understood? This is very much important. So means you should be ready because you start from today. I'm giving you task, and like 1.5 months, 2 months, the best job in your hand that we are discussing. I told you that confidence I'll boost up inside you, between you, like you can clear the interview by
Mhm.
yourself. So routing protocols is much important after this part. Anyone is switch, anyone will come after. If you cleared this part, then after they are coming on this part. Routing protocols questions should be BGP. They will ask you REAP, not more, but BGP is very much important. Okay, BGP is not here. BGP inside your security. Understood or not? So this is
Yeah.
very much important. If you deploy, like I am telling you, in a days they are not. Nobody is asking you. You are the security engineer, you are the data center engineer, or you are the routing switching or enterprise. You should know everything, even from desktop. I'm telling you, from the desktop assembling, or like you can say from the printer. Some error is there from here to L7, they already is asked because your manager is they have not from the skill from your this point, like technical and all. If something problem is coming, they will call directly to the like your technical engineers or like network engineers. You got my point? So this is very much important. BGP, REAP, OSPF, and EIGRP. You should be very good in this field. After that, I'm telling you, 4 5 questions, 100% they will ask you. If you're inside your like a CV, if you mention like I'm the security parts I have done, then after they're coming off your core paper and core technology like firewall. Firewall they will ask you, VPN they will ask you, and if everything is fine in the firewall also, not only the only single firewall like ASA they are asking you, ASA plus Palo Alto. If you have checkpoint,
Okay.
this is checkpoint. If you have the knowledge, this is your plus, or your FortiGate.
Okay.
Okay, means your experience for where you are going to clear the like your track and all. This part is important. Then after VPN, they will ask you site to site VPN. If something fail, how traffic will be go through that, what is happened there, if ASA is between that, basic question. After completing the your course, you can understand. Fine. So this is the track you have to cover up. So can you can concentrate on that. Apart from this class also, I am sharing you some books to you. You can go through that book. This is very
Yeah.
much important. BGP,
Okay.
OSPF, and this part. Clear? So like this way, the track for the interview you have to clear. Okay. So let me come the points. We'll be start for the today class. I'm talking about the firewall. Okay, we are going to discuss on the firewall. I think I shared the book to you. So what you seen inside that, like a video I have shared, right? So in the firewall, like any videos I have shared to you. So in the INE video, what you got, what you understand, what is the concept INE is telling you for the firewall, the security appliances I'm talking. So what security appliance that
Yes.
your any vendors like in the Palo Alto, and if any vendors I'm going, what they are telling, what the words, what is the important things is coming out from there, what you've seen there, that important. Will you please elaborate to me from your side what you understand, like in the video I have provided you in the INE, what the concept they are giving to you, like for the understanding, like how the security appliance and these all are working. Will you please elaborate little bit? I'm not going to depth, you can say. Help me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So
Hmm.
on a security aspect, which will cover from NAT aspects and SLAs and policies. Okay.
Policy. Okay. NAT you will
And
get in the routers even. Are you getting my point? That thing's also
sorry.
inside the fire. NAT part you will find inside your router also.
Yeah. Yeah.
Are you getting?
Okay.
Means I'm asking about the firewall. How this firewall is different from your routers, your switches, this all, your hubs.
Yeah.
That is
Firewall
my
is
question.
basically is yes. Yes.
Hmm.
So as per my understanding is the
Hmm.
firewall categorized in two types. One
Hmm.
is physical and one is virtual. Okay.
Okay.
And and when you say physical firewall, it is appliance, and when you say virtual, it is a software based. Okay.
Okay.
And the physical firewalls is hardware based,
Hmm. Okay.
and basically firewalls subcategorized in terms of and uh, uh, packet filter and
Hmm.
route based, not route based,
Packet filtering. From your side, you are telling it is packet filtering. Okay.
and application filtering and
Application. Hmm.
application filtering. Uh, the other things are I'm not able to
Okay.
recollect.
This part is clear. This part is correct. Okay. This is also like it is very basics. Okay. So from it's going to very basics. This is the proper answer. The packet filtering, application filtering, and all. Okay. So let me come here. I'm talking about, like, if I'm talking about, if I will discuss on the firewall, just see and concentrate what we are talking about the firewall. Firewall is a security appliance. Okay. Security appliance which will be secure the network. Inside the network I'm talking, inside from the outside world. Okay. If I'm talking about the networks, that is the client. Are you getting my point? Like, this is the proper installation of the firewall. You people are sitting here, correct? Are you there? Hello?
Yeah, yeah.
Are you there? Yeah. Okay. That sound was not coming. That's it.
Yeah, that is, everything is done.
Okay. So like this way, you people are sitting here. Then after maybe the switch is there. Then after you have the firewall is there, and then after you are connected with the internet. Like this way. Understood? Like this is the way. So the first explanation is telling security appliance. Obviously, it's a security appliance. Maybe it is physical, maybe it is virtual. Correct or not? Maybe it is physical or maybe it is virtual. Fine. Second thing is telling secure the network client inside. That is called the inside world. We'll see this part inside from the outside world. This is the outside, maybe internet. Clear?
Your voice is breaking, sir. From firewall is security appliance, which will be uh,
Secure the network clients inside from the outside world. From the outside
okay.
world. Okay.
Okay.
You people
Sir.
are sitting here. You people are sitting here. That is in the inside. That in between that switches is there. Then after your firewall appliance, we should install, or we should be like no enable here, and then after you have to connect with the internet. Like this is the flow. This is the way of the installation of the firewall. Okay, basically. And second, that's it's a normal way when someone is asking that's how the firewall is working. So we can say like firewall will protect, giving the protection to the security, protection to the inside or clients from the internet or from the outside. The second thing is coming. You should write here to prevent the integrity. In the standards, we can say to prevent the integrity and stability of resources on a network. My voice is clear. On a
Yeah.
network, on a network, they must be protected. They must be protected from trusted, from things that is trusted or controlled. Okay, that is your common part here. That is your security.
To prevent the integrity, stability of resource of net. So,
Stability, yeah, network, they must be protected from things that is trusted or controlled. Okay, next point is telling you inside your firewall we have here that Cisco firewall. I'm talking about the Cisco ASA, Adaptive Security Appliance. Adaptive Security Appliance. Okay, this is your firewall. Okay, Cisco firewall is telling you traffic always flow from higher security level to lower security level. Clear? Are you getting my point?
yes, sir.
First point is telling. Second is coming here. Only allow TCP or UDP based traffic. Understood? Okay, the traffic is going from higher to lower. That means I'm telling you, you people are sitting like ABC here. ABC is here, and here this is XYZ. These two people are sitting here. Okay, and this is my ASA. Cisco firewall is there. Then after I'm connecting with the internet, I'm telling you my traffic is flow from higher to lower. That means from here to lower there. Higher security means inside. I'm writing your higher security level. That means you're inside. Okay, and lower security level means you're outside. Are you getting outside?
Only allow that.
Outside. Always flow from higher security level to lower security level. Only allow the TCP or UDP. UDP. I told you basic difference between TCP and UDP. Question should be 100% confirmed in your interview. Clear? Are you getting? TCP flags, window. Okay. TCP handshake, TCP. This is TCP. Are you getting? This is the question that is generally they will ask you in your interview. Are you getting my point? It's clear? Is it clear? I am audible to you? Are you in my connection? Hello? Yeah, I think it was
Yeah,
disconnected. Yeah, right now it's clear. Am I audible?
yeah, I can
So
hear you.
yeah, so see here, the thing is there only allow the TCP and UDP based traffic. Okay, in the question, interview question, TCP UDP difference. What is the TCP flags? Understood? TCP handshake, windowing size. This is the proper question. 100% damn sure. I'm telling you that will be asked you in the interview. What is the difference between the TCP and UDP? Correct. So you should be more concentrate on this part also. Are you getting my point? Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so here any doubt up to here? I'm telling you my traffic is always flow from here to there, means you can able to ping from higher to lower, means you people can go to internet but nobody can come from the internet to here. But there inside that also one main concept is there, that is only allow the TCP and UDP traffic. Are you getting?
Yeah.
Higher to lower it should be go, it is not denying that traffic, but yeah, that is inside that also one proper things that is telling you like only allowing here, that is should be the TCP and UDP based traffic, else it will be reject, it will be denied that traffic. Clear? Fine.
Yes, sir.
That means you can able to telnet but you cannot able to ICMP packet will not allow there. Understood my point? That is the things here. Okay, next point is here, that is the DMZ, demilitarized zone. You understood these 2 points? When someone is asking you, like that's any firewalls,
Sir,
you
one
can,
second.
yeah.
One second.
Hmm.
I need to connect to my laptop. It is almost about today. Just give me a minute.
Okay, please.
Yes, sir. I'm back.
Yeah, okay, fine. Let me come on here. Yeah, so we were discussing on the part. This is the part, okay? We were here and like higher TCP and UDP, we have discussed on that Windows and this all points, okay? So TCP and UDP based traffic only allow from the higher security level to lower security level. If you are talking about the any firewalls, right? If you go in the Palo Alto, or if you will be if will be have a checkpoints is there, or if you have the Fortinet firewall, okay? Obviously, if you go after completing of this, and when you will be update your resume, and when you are like inside your CV, you are updating like I have the knowledge on that firewall, and I know that that technical things on the firewalls. They will ask you like at least 2 to 3 firewalls like Palo Alto and this all. So there is everything is same. There you will not find anything differences. Understood? Only the terms is different, like no basics, like you can say the commands is different, but the technology and like concept is everywhere is fine. Understood? Clear my point?
Okay.
So if you understand the ASA, if your you can say your visibility towards your like firewalls on the Cisco is it's clear, you can understand the any technology regarding if you will be going the any firewalls. You can easily
Okay.
you can like uh, your visibility, your vision will be clear towards your
Mm.
firewalls. So let me come on that next points. These are the 2 points that the basically when you will be asked the question like the firewall, you can answer these 2 points. Let me come on the third points and what it is telling you. So firewall is giving you, firewall is a system of hardware and software that control access between 2 or more networks. That will be controls. The point is coming here, that will be controls access between access between 2 or more networks. 2 or more networks. You understood? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
One more thing is there is no communication, there is no more communication between the same security level. You understood? The firewalls have the security levels concept is also there. That means the ASA is there. When you deploy the ASA, and when you people are sitting on the inside and outside is your internet, and when you want to connect, right? So that means the clients are, this is the clients, okay? This is your outside. Firewall always keep the clients, or when you will tell the inside, define inside, automatically it will give the higher security level. ASA have the security level concept is there. Are you getting? Security level, that is from 0 to 100. By default, your inside, listen me properly, by default your inside is 100. Apart from anything, it will be keep in 0. My name, your name, anything you will be defined, it will be keep in the zeros. Are you getting? Clear my point?
Yeah.
If you're
Yeah.
getting, then only tell me yeah, otherwise I will explain you again this point. 0 to 100 level, that means what? See here, when you create a infrastructure, right? You're planning to create one infrastructure. In that infrastructure you have the ASA, okay? Then after, you people are sitting here, this is your organization. Understood? Maybe numbers
Yeah.
of people or numbers of employees here inside the corporate. This is the corporate is your ABC, abc.com. This is your organization. After that, this organization is going to connect with switch. This is the switch, more ports is available. After that, you are connecting with the ASA. This ASA is going to connect with the internet. This is your internet. Clear? After that, you have one more zone that is called a DMG, demilitarized zone. You understood? DMG zone is there. Demilitarized zone is between, like this way, inside, okay, it's greater than DMG, and DMG is greater than outside. Like this way the flow is. Means by default inside is 100. Between 100 to 0, DMG will be there. And management also have the security level always 100. Always remember, this question should be also ask you. Management port. ASA have the management port. When you install at the first time, when you are installing the firewall at the first time, you should go through the management port. You understood my point? Are you getting my point? And it will get the IP address from the DSCP. From the DSCP, that will the network is 192.168 network. You understood? Clear? So from here, for inside and for the management, always it will be the security level 100. That's what I am talking about, the security level. For that only I create one infrastructure. I'm talking about the security level to clear your vision about the security level. You understood? So you people are sitting here and you want to go to the internet, want to connect to the Facebook or something. Understood? It is on the outside, and in your company have the DMG server. Why DMG? Maybe inside your company you have the HTTP. Are you getting? You have the HTTPS. You understood my point? Or you have the FTP server. In every company have these kinds of server is there. Where they will keep? They will create one zone. That zone is known as the demilitarized zone. That is between the inside to the outside. And between that you can keep this zone. You understood my point? So like this way you can access, means from higher to lower, you can access to the DMG. Understood? You can access to from the inside. I am telling you in the first in the first statement I have given, like the always traffic is flow from the higher security level to lower security level. That means you can access from the inside to your DMG zones. Like this is the DMG zone. Clear? From here you can access. You can access. Try to understand. You can access, means abc.com. Maybe this is your one. Sorry. This is your one, this is your second employee, this is your third employee. Like this is the at n numbers of employees there. Clear? So this one can access whom? This one can access to the DMG. Clear? Why? Because higher to lower. This one can access from here to outside. Correct? Because higher to lower. Understood? But what? But it should be, tell me, it should be TCP or UDP based traffic. Understood my point? Clear or not?
Yes.
Clear? From here to here, it should be you can access. Second thing is what? You can access from, you could be access from here to DMG. Understood? From DMG to here. Why? Because DMG is greater than outside. Are you getting? Between 100 to 0 or 0 to 100. Anything, maybe 1 to 99. Anything you can keep. Basically, we are giving 50. Understood? Means from higher security level to here you can access. But who is sitting on the internet, they cannot access this point. Understood, no? Right. This is the basics, very basics. The firewall. If you have to deny, or you have to denied this permissions, you have to use the ACL. By default, this permissions is allowed inside your firewall. Clear? Understood? So
Mhm.
this is the security level. We are talking about the security level. This is the security level concept. Means higher to lower, and means higher will be 100. Higher will be 100.
Lower will be 0 to 99.
Lower will be 0. Yeah, between 0 to 99. Basically, when you will be allow, when you will be keep, it will be take automatically 0. And DMG is between 1 to 99. Clear, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
This is your firewall. In firewall, we have, just a second. Okay. Next is here, we are talking in network world. If I'm talking here, you can write here. In network world, firewall device which protects our inside network from the, which protects firewall device which will protect from protects our inside networks from the outside dangerous world. I'm talking about the network world. Clear? Right? Next point here, firewall can be configured. Firewall can be configured with policy to give permission to give permission for access.
They are not used to MS Paint.
I'm using MS Paint even. Okay, that is good to me. Here also, this one is better for me. Okay,
Yeah, because that
comfortable this
is
one.
the
Mhm.
MS Paint is like the text that what you put there, it will be easy to
Okay, okay.
understand it.
Okay. I am using MS Paint also we can use, but basically here in that these things what I'm using, this is also MS Point, and there also we can access, we can write, we can draw, everything we can do. Okay.
Mhm.
So what it is telling you, from tomorrow I will use the MS Paint. Okay. See here, what it is telling you, permissions to access this point. Just concentrate on this point.
Okay.
Permissions to access, and one more is here, policy. Underline these two. Are you writing, or if you will be write this point, underline this. You are,
I'm
yeah,
I'm noting actually.
okay, note down. So if you're talking about the policy, in the first, when you I asked you, you tell me the policy. You understood? Remember, right? Policy, what you
Yeah.
use, and then after you told me like the firewall is for the packet filtering and all. So first let me come on the policy. What is the policy? With the help of policy, with the help of policy, either two things will be possible. Either you can permit, or you can deny. What?
How do you define what is a policy?
Traffic. Yeah, I'm coming on that point. Permit or deny the traffic. Understood? Policy, let me come. Firewall is telling you. Okay, let me come on the MS. See here. See here, this is the firewall. Okay, this is my firewall,
Okay.
and here the clients are sitting. Clear? After that, this is going to connect with the outside world, internet. What I told, I was telling you, this is the client 1, C1, this is the client 2, C2, and this is the client 2, 3, C3. They can access to the internet, correct or not?
Yeah.
They can access to the internet. But if someone wants to access from here to C1, I'm telling you, someone wants, we will see in the translation this part. Okay, if someone wants to access from the internet to C1, like I'm telling, Saurabh is sitting here. Okay, you are not in the company, you are outside the company, and if you want to access, for that purpose we are using SSL VPN and kinds of that. If we don't have the VPN and all, what we will do, we have to give the permissions to the particular IP address, right? See here, what we have to do here, we have to give the permission to the network, correct or not? Network or host. Maybe I'll be the host, right? I'll be acts as a host. Permission to the host with the help of what? Policy. You understood my point? Policy, or you can say ACL, access list. Because I am telling you, I told you already, my traffic is flow from higher to lower. But the policy and ACL, if I'm talking about the policy and ACL, I'm talking about the policy or ACL, what it will do? It will bypass the bypass the bypass the default behavior of your security appliance. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
You understood? I'm telling you, I can access your PC, but if you want to access my PC, what I have to do, I have to disable my antivirus. Maybe I'm telling you, this is the policy, right? No, this is not allowed.
Mhm.
Or maybe I have to stop my firewall inside my Microsoft app. The firewall is there, right? That things I have to disable. Then only I can install. So many times, like you have to install the outside of softwares and all. For that purpose, what you have to do, you have to disable your security appliance, what you install inside your PC, inside your laptop. Correct or not? Then only it should be allowed to that can be installed in your PC. Else it will not allow. Correct. When you are installing GNS3 or kinds of that, you will find this point. Or like so many things. For that, they are telling you should have to disable your antivirus. Or sometimes what happen in your Google Chrome, if we have enable, you can say ad is there, right? So when you are in open some kinds of pages, on that pages they will tell you you cannot able to access because ad blocker is there. Are you getting my points? Ad
Mhm.
blocker ad blocker is there. Ad blocker. if you'll be enable the ad blocker, because ad blocker through, because I'm teaching that your cyber security also, for that purpose I'm telling you this is important. Ad blocker, see here
Mhm.
in my Google Chrome, you will find here, see, extension. Inside that extension, if I'm going to open google.com, okay, here you will find Google bookmarks. Extensions have, see, ad blockers is there. Are you getting? Are you able to see or not?
Yeah, I can see it.
See here. See here. Here you will find the ad blocker is there. What it is telling, what it is doing, see, it's blocked one ad. With the help of this ad, maybe virus should become. You understood? So what it is telling, it is just block every ad. It's trying to come inside my browser, or maybe kinds of that. It is the attack. They will maybe like something, they will stole my password and everything. In it is everything inside your browser. Are you getting? You understood my point? So manage
Mhm.
extension, inside the manage extension, you can add the ad blocker with the help of ad blocker. So when you are doing to open some kinds of sites, with the this ad blocker is not allowed. This sites, it will tell you because you have to enable the ad blockers. We cannot access. You cannot allow to access the sites, the particular sites. Clear? Understood? So like this way also happened here. So that means what? Here also the policy is what? It is giving the permissions or deny. So what I'm telling, I'm sitting on the internet and I want to access my company, like ABC is my company is there. Clear? So I want to access my ABC. Policy is telling you only the higher to lower security levels, but like traffic should be allowed, but from the lower to higher it should not get. So for that purpose, we need a policy. So what it will do, it will bypass the firewall behavior with the help of ACL. We'll allow the ACL access list, and then after we will call, and then after we will find, like we can reach to the particular host or reach to the particular destination network and all, or particular ports. With the help of the particular ports, we can access. Are you getting my points? ACL. What I'm giving you task, you should see this part. Okay, I'm telling you, you should have to check TCP, UDP. Understood? This
Yeah.
two, you should have to check the ACL access list. Very much important. Policy, I will send you today one book. Okay, policy is
So,
important here. Clear my point? So that things is clear. You ask me the this part, for that purpose I have explained that points. Understood?
yeah.
Okay, next point I'm coming here. If I'm talking about the firewall, let's come here. If I'm talking here, the types of firewalls. Types of firewall. If I'm talking about these types of firewall, we have here packet filtering firewall. Okay,
Okay.
packet. Sorry. Just a minute. Packet filtering firewall. Okay,
Yeah.
packet filtering firewall. What is the packet filtering firewall is telling you? Operates filter packets. First point you write here. First point is here, operates or filters packets based L3, try to understand, network layer, or
Yeah.
L4, transport layer information. Clear? First point.
Yeah.
Second point is here, a router is also L3 or L4 firewall. Are you getting clear my
Yeah.
point? These 2 points. Router is acts also. We'll see this point. Okay, when we'll become on your zone-based policy firewall, we'll see this point. I'll be show you. Third is here. Third point. In the packet filtering is telling you it does not know the source information. Source is it clear? Are you getting my point? We'll see the connection table entry. Firewall will be create a connection table. Understood? So what is connection table is there? We will find. We will see that points also. Is it clear? L3,
Yeah.
L4, and this one source information. In packet filtering,
Does not know source information.
it doesn't know have idea about the source information. Okay, it will only know about the destination. If I'm talking about the packet filtering firewall. Here, next point is right here. Done up to here. I'm coming on the next point. Here, what it is telling you in packet filtering, write this point. In packet filtering, only the protocol and the address information address information of each packet. What? Of each packet. See here. Of each packet is, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Examined. 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 That means what? That means it is telling you here. See here. In packet filtering, address information. This is one point. Okay. Protocol. Second point, and packet is examined. So first protocol, this one, that means what? That means, just a second, that means L4, correct? Address information means what? Destination. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Destination, address, and packet is examined. Packet is examined means it will open the packet and it will check. Understood? Clear?
Perfect.
Understood. That means I told you in the last one, that is the packet filtering firewall, L3 to L4. I written there. Correct or not?
Correct.
That means protocol and address information. Address information means I told you it doesn't know the source information. Only know about the destination. For that, address information is written here. Clear?
Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah. Plus information.
Information of each packet is examined. Each packet is examined. Each packet is examined. Clear? Right?
Yes, sir.
Next, you should see here. Next point, what it is telling you. Next point, you should write here. It is telling you it contains or context. Okay, it's a relation to other packets. It's
It contains of context.
context,
Means
context. It's relation to other packets, that firewall page no attention. Oh, sorry.
Control G is
Yeah,
not it.
let me check once. No, is it not there? Okay, from here it page attention. Right from here, it page. From here you write it page no attention to application on the host. Try to understand this point. I'm explaining you it again. On the host or local network knows nothing about the sources of what incoming what packet or data. What it is meaning, see here. See here, because what it is telling you, I told you packet is flow from higher to lower, okay? And it is TCP and UDP based traffic, correct or not? Right? Next, it is telling you it has no idea about the source information, okay? That coming. That means it is explicit. Wait a minute. That means when the packet is coming, TCP or UDP based traffic only allow from higher to lower security level, and that is also your implicitly, you can say, implicitly inspected. Are you getting what is the meaning of implicitly inspected?
No.
That means you cannot open the packet and you can find what is coming. That is the meaning of this. That is the meaning of that. Source knows nothing about the source of the incoming data. That means in the standard words, implicitly inspected. What it is coming inside that in the packet, they have no idea. Because of that only the next generation firewall is came, and that IPS is working. You heard about IPS, intrusion prevention system. That means it will open the packets and it will check, or antiviruses and all, right? In the terms of this, all are working. Clear? Understood? That is the meaning of your nothing about the source of the incoming data. Fine. Right, let me come on your application gateway file. Right, next is our application gateway firewall, or this is known as also your proxy. You understood? Application, when we are talking, that is your proxy, and on the proxy it is come. So let me come on the proxy or application. You can find here. Done up to here. You can you understood, I think. Any doubt?
Yeah.
Do you have any doubt up to here?
Based traffic. Yeah. I want to understand what it means explicit traffic.
Explicitly means you can see the packet. Implicitly means you cannot see the packet. Understood? Implicitly inspected means something is going, but it cannot open. It cannot find what is going. Clear? Understood?
Okay.
Because of that only the IPS came, intrusion prevention system. That means what? It will check, it will open the packet. Try to understand. It will open the packet, it will check. Because of that only the predefined signatures are there, or tuned signatures are there. If it will match with the signatures, then only it will allow. If it will not match with that signature, that means the alarm will be ring, and then after it will alert to the administrators, maybe the virus or harmful some kinds of activities happening inside your network. Just alerts matter, it will send. Or maybe because of IPS or IPDS, intrusion prevention detection system. Clear? Right now it's clear, this point?
Yeah.
Implicitly is telling you I should allow you. That means try to understand in the basics, like you should obey the traffic rule, right? When you're going to the anywhere on the outside road, you will follow the traffic rules. Like left side you will go, then after that red signals will come, you will be stopped. But sometimes what happened, the traffic police will be come to you and they will ask you some necessary, like, no documents you will show me. That is your explicitly. Explicitly means what? I don't know who is you. Maybe that you should not have your documents with you, but you follow the rules. What is the rules you are follow? You are going with left side. Like if the limitations of the you have that some limitations, like your bike and car is there, speed limits is there, so you follow that. Speed limits is also there, and the red crossing you are also stop start. Zebra crossing is there also you have stopped the car. That means you are obey the traffic rules, right? You are in the basic follow the basic discipline. Clear my point? But the terms is coming when the activity is happened, when the traffic police came, you follow the rules but you don't have any documents. That means the charge sheet will become to you. You understood my point?
Yeah.
So cost should become here also same thing. You are follow up the traffic rules. You are going through that means higher to lower security traffic should be go. Understood or not? But I
Yes.
don't know. Maybe the malicious packet should be go also because there is no information about the source. It is written there, and that the thing is what nothing about the source of the incoming data. Clear?
Got it. Got it.
Okay, fine. Next point we have application gateway firewall. Next is mine. Application gateway firewall, or this is known as your proxy. Clear?
Yeah.
Just come here. In the application level gateway, I'm writing the points. Okay. The application level gateway acts as a proxy proxy for application performing all data exchanges try to understand all data exchanges with the remote system with the remote system in their behalf. Okay. Second point you write, it can, very much important, it can allow or disallow traffic according to the policy rules varying rules according to the
Policy rules.
varying the rules according to authenticated users users and so forth. You understood this point? That policy, I told you, you are sitting on the outside, right? These examples I have given you right now, you remember, I think. These examples I have given you, do you remember these points? Like firewall is there, you people are sitting here, then after you have connected with the firewall, right? Then after internet is there, correct or not? And
Yeah.
I'm Saurabh is sitting here, I'm telling Saurabh is sitting here, and Saurabh wants to access the HTTP server, maybe it is will be in the DMG zone, right? And DMG
Yes.
zone, the security level of the DMG zone is level of the security level of the DMG zone is 50, okay, and the security level of the outside is 0. Are you getting correct or not?
Yeah.
Security level
Yeah.
of outside is 0. So obviously
Yes.
the traffic will not allow. Clear or not? So if you
Yeah.
want, if the server wants to access this one, it should have to bypass the policy. Correct or not? Bypass the policy. So if Sora had to bypass the policy, that means what? Authenticated users. Correct or not?
Yes.
Authenticated users, then only firewalls or maybe the admins will be allowed to me. Clear? That means the same thing is here. See, authenticated users. You understood this point up to here?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Application gateway, whatever that examples is there. Okay, next point is here. You should write. Next, it is telling you very much important this point. Always remember these types of firewalls, very much important. These types of firewalls